Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing the fishing rod only challenge. So we only get to use a fishing rod, and everything that we fish is our only loot. Let's go. Alright guys, we're about to launch in, and we're in the battle bus. Okay, so I think we should go right, I don't know, think here. I know that a fishing rod spawns there, so let's go over there. Here we go. Alright, we're about to land, and there we go. Okay, so right here is our fishing rod. So now, let's try and get some weapons from this water. So I'm gonna see if I can find one of the things that you fish for. Oh, over here, there's one right here. Okay. There it is. Alright. Here we go. Let's see if we get a gun our first try. Just some shield. I'll still take it. Let's try our second. See if we can get one our second try. Oh no, just another fish. Alright, let's keep looking for those and see if we can get some guns. Alright guys, we found one, and we're also at Slappy Shores now. So it took us a while to get here. Just got another shield fish. See if we can get a gun our second try. Nope, just a flopper. Alright. Third time's the charm, come on. And yes, okay, we got a gun. So here's our first gun. We got a thermal DMR. So let me eat this really quick. And this. Okay, so now, oh, there's somebody right here. I just saw him. I don't think I can kill him yet with this gun. It might be too hard. I think he's chasing me. Yep, he's shooting me. Okay, let's get up here. Oh, there's somebody else. What? Can I go through here? Come on. Okay, they're fighting each other. We're really low. We're gonna use this now. Run down here. And where's that boat? We need that boat. There it is. Okay, we gotta go quick. I think they're shooting us. Let me jump off this. Alright. There we go. Okay, we made it in the boat. And alright, let's go. Okay, we made it out. That was really close. We do still have some health left though, so that's good. Let's see if I can find some more fish. Alright guys, we found another one right here, so I'm gonna hop out. Oh, we almost killed ourselves by the boat. Okay, let's get some more fish in this new one now. And oh, there's only one thing. Well, at least we got some shield. We were getting kind of low. And I'm gonna get that one too. Alright, so now let's keep looking for some more fish. Alright guys, we already found another one. Oh wait, there's 3 right here. So we found another 3. So let's try our first time. No gun that time, but we got a flopper, so we can get some health with that. We got our health back up. Hopefully we can get another flopper and some shield fish so that we can get our health all the way back up. So let's see if we can get a gun our second try. Just a small fry. Alright, come on, third time's the charm. Nope, just a shield fish, okay. Still take it. And nope, none left, okay. But we got a flopper, so we can use that. And now, let's see if there's any fish in here, or any guns. Oh, we got the same gun again. Let's see if we can get something different, because we don't want the same gun. Okay, there's a thermal fish. Let's get this one. Just a shield fish. And come on. Okay, nothing. Alright. I'm gonna grab this too. Alright, now let's come up here. I don't think we're gonna be able to win with just these two guns. So I think I'm gonna try to find some more fish. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, let's go over there then. Since the water is going this way, it's gonna be faster to swim over there. Alright, so now let's throw this in. And alright, we got a flopper. Let's see if we get a gun this time. Nope, just a shieldfish. Alright, well, I'm gonna take that still. And I guess I'm gonna look for another one of these. Alright, here we go. We found another one. So let's throw that in. And just another one of those. Come on. Something good. Just a flopper. Okay, come on. Third time's the charm. Oh, we rolled it back too soon. Oh, just another one of these. We're getting a lot of these thermal fish. Alright, well, we got 2 thermal DMRs. Oh, I see somebody over there. Ooh, he has that explosive gun. Shooting us. Missed, okay. I think he's gonna kill me because we only have these 2 scoped weapons. We don't have anything like for close up. So I think I'm gonna try to get out of here. Ooh, there's somebody else right there. I'll eat this. And then he's shooting that car, not me now. Alright, so I'm gonna come over here. Ooh, let's get on this. Okay. Now we can get out. Flip! Oh, we messed up the flip. Okay. Let's go over this water now. I think I'm gonna try to get to zone. So let's go. Alright, we're in zone now. And we found another one of these. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Let's see if we can get another gun. Come on. Nope, just another shieldfish. I'm gonna eat that shieldfish after I do this. Flopper. Let me eat this, okay. I'll grab that back. Alright, so now I'm gonna throw this back in. And let's see if we can get a gun. Nope. Alright. Well, we only got these 2 guns. So I think these might be the only guns that we're gonna be able to use for the whole round. So this round might be kind of hard. Oh, here's shooting over here. See him. 70 cracks. Oh, he's low. Come on, come over there. I'm not gonna get too close. Ooh, we got him. Okay. Now, where'd this other guy go? I think he went over those rocks, so we can't see him anymore. Alright, I'm gonna grab this ammo, and there's nothing else we can take, so let's come over here now. The island just spawned, but not really gonna be anything there that we can use because we can only use stuff that we find from fishing. Ammo box, let's open this. Alright, there we go. Alright, slide on this ice now. And I hear some more people over there. I wonder if I can hit them with my fishing rod. To knock them off somewhere. Where are they? I don't see them. I'm gonna come down there. Alright. Let's jump on this now. I don't see them. Oh, never mind. I see them. Hit him for 35. We cracked him. He's a shotgun, so that's bad. Oh, he's healing too. I don't think I can fight him from that close, so I'm gonna get up here. And there he is. Oh, missed some. Well, okay. He's over there shooting somebody else now. Ooh, somebody else is shooting us too. I think they're over. Oh, they're all the way over there. We hit him for 35. He got us really low though. Oh! Alright, well, he hit us and we died. So, let's load into the next match and see if we can win. Alright, we're about to load in and there we go. We're in. Okay. So, I think we're gonna go to the same spot this round. Actually, yeah, the same spot. Okay. Here we go. Alright, we're about to land. There we go. Okay. I saw 2 other people land here, so I'm gonna go somewhere else because they can get guns, but I can't. Because I can't. It's kind of hard to find guns in the fishing spots. So let's go find one. Alright guys, we found another fishing spot, so let's see if we can get a gun from it. Alright, we just got a thermal fish. Come on. This is shield fish. Okay. Well, I'm gonna eat that shield fish. So now we have 40 shield now. Gonna come over here. I don't see any more fishing holes. So, there's some more over there. So let's go. Alright. Let's throw that in. And let's see what we get. Alright, just a flopper. Second try. We get another flopper. Okay. Let's see what we can get from this one. Nothing. Okay. Second try. Ooh, another thermal fish. And another shield fish. And this is probably the last one. Yep. Another shield fish. I'm gonna eat that though. And let's throw it in there. Let's see if we can get a gun from this one. Come on. Flopper. Okay. Second try. We get another thermal fish. Alright, well, third time's the charm, so let's see what we get from the third try. We got, oh, I don't think we were in the thing. So fourth time's the charm. Another shield fish. Okay, 5th time's the charm. The flopper. Okay, well, let's get this augment now. There we go, okay. There's a car right there. I'm gonna see if we can find any more fishing holes. I don't see one from up here. Ooh, there's a bow. I could use this to look for the fishing holes faster. Let's hop on this, and here we go, okay. So far, I don't see any. None around this corner. Okay. Is there any over here? Oh yeah, there's one right here. Okay. Let's hop out of this, and here we go. Let's see if we can get a gun. And no gun that time. Let's try again. Okay, and another flopper. Alright, well, I'll still take the floppers, just in case. Alright, now here we go. Let's keep looking for some more fishing holes. Oh, there we go. We found one in the ground. Let's just use this one. Oh, we got a thermal fish. Okay. I'm gonna keep the flopper though. So now let's drive over here and see if we can find any more. None under the bridge. None under this bridge either. Oh, somebody's shooting us. We don't have a gun yet. Somebody else is right there too. Alright, let's get on this launch pad. We gotta find another fishing hole. Oh, there's one over there. Let's go over here. Alright, here we are. Let's throw this in. And hopefully we get a gun. Let's see. No gun that time. And let's see if we get one this time. Nope, no gun. Okay. We'll still take the shield fish. I'm gonna get this augment too. And oh, the storm is coming. We gotta go. I think I'm gonna come over here and get to the launch pad so that I can launch pad into zone. Let me try to get up. I can't get up. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's hop on the launch pad. Here we go. I think I'm gonna land on this grind rail right here. Okay. We need to find a gun because there's 35 people left and we don't have a single gun yet. Ooh, let's get onto this bike. Let's go across this water. Ooh, there's one too. Alright. Where is it? Thought I saw one. I don't think I see it anymore. Yeah, I don't see it anymore. Okay. Let's get down here. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we found 2 more of these. So let's throw our fishing rod in and see if we can get any guns. So far we haven't got any, which isn't good. We got a flopper. There was only one in that one. Let's see if we can get a gun. Nope, just another flopper. I don't think we're gonna be able to find a gun this round. Oh well, we died. We got 18th place, but that's gonna be the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed, subscribe. Bye.